Oh, hey. Clever Russians.
Yeah!
Woo!
I hope that was on camera.
Yep, I got that.
Yeah!
Oh, smoke ring!
Woo!
Shoot the rest of your rounds off!
Is that frozen? I already thought that was going to do a lot more damage.
My dad said there's like a lot of tree root in there. I bet it's just gonna go nowhere. Because it's being held down by a tree root.
How many shots are you loading?
5.
Why not just 2?
Because I need the first 4 to judge the elevation. And then... First 4 to kill the horseflies. Ready?
I'm gonna zoom in on it. Never mind, I'm not gonna zoom in on it. You can't see shit when I zoom in.
Ready?
Yep. Holy shit. Aren't you glad we didn't shoot it that close?
No, I wanted to shoot it that close.
No, I fucking told you, man.
That would have been awesome.
It says right on there 100 plus.
Yeah.
We're only like 50.
Damn.
If that. That was freaking sweet. Something fell over in here. I heard
I
it.
didn't say I heard something rattle in here.
The windows are intact.
I say, still got recording? Yeah, it's still recording. So your neighbors are already mad at you now. Look at all the stump chips. Or is that basket shaving? Basket. Oh, shit. Oh, gosh.
Dun 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 dun.
I think we got rid of your stump problem.
I'd say.
Yeah, this side of it's gone. The other side of it's...
A little bit intact.
Nope, that piece stuck.
Now black snake falls from because it was hiding in there. Look at all that.